Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker Italian beef. Alright, I'm starting out in my pressure cooker. I'm going to start out by adding in 2 cups of beef broth. It's a 4-cup box where I'm using half of it. Alright, that looks about good. Now I'm going to add in our seasonings. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Don't use garlic salt. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And this guy here is new. I have one over here that isn't opened yet. One teaspoon of onion powder. One teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of pepper. And I have a 0.7 ounce pack of Italian dressing seasoning mix. You want to use the dry stuff like this. We're going to add that in. I'm going to go with a whisk and just blend everything all together. Alright, now I have a 2.5 pound London broil. It's still a little frozen. I took it out of the freezer last night, but it still should be fine. I'm going to get this down into the pressure cooker. And I'll bend it a little bit to get it down in there. As it cooks, it'll shrink up some and fit in there. And I'm going to throw in 1 bay leaf. I'll put my lid on here. Make sure we're set on seal. Now I'm going to set this pressure cook for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, I'll let it do a natural release of the pressure for 10 minutes, and then I'll release the existing pressure. Alright, my roast is done. I left it do that 10-minute natural release, and then I release the rest of the pressure. Now I have to set on saute. My roast is out and it's resting. I'm going to add in a cornstarch slurry. And we're going to thicken this up into a sauce, or sort of like a gravy for over the roast beef. Alright, my sauce is thickened. It only took a minute or so, and I added some fresh parsley in there while it thickened. Let's go ahead and shred up this beef. See how nice that's shredding up there? Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some buttered potatoes and some carrots to go with this. Let me get in here and give this a try. Beef is super tender. It's well seasoned. It's moist from that sauce. Guys, that's really delicious, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker Italian beef. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.